mobility, and as John told us up front, he's got good football IQ. I mean, he understands he understands the protection. Now I think it's important for the players around him to begin to make some plays as well. So 3rd and 1. Stewart is deep back and offset eye. Ball start with left and right guard. Can't do that. And you go from
Ball start. Number 74 offense. 5-yard penalty. Still 3rd down.
Yeah. Go from a very manageable 3rd and 1 to 3rd and 6. A different quarterback, maybe a little different case like that more. And I don't care quarterbacks. If you have mental urge and assignments, you turn the football over, and you commit dumb penalties, you give yourself no chance to win against the
Either.
Slant route to Goodson, and that was a very catchable ball. Started running before he brought it in. Caught a couple early in the first half. That was right to his fingers. Cosby is back deep for Cincinnati. Short punt.
Get a face lick. I'll get a face lick. Put damn face lick.
Position to start. Opening possession. Carson Palmer and company coming up.